Hello, I'm Lin. Don't know where to start with SLAM data? I will guide you through the full setup and processing. Step 1. Create a new project. Enter a project name. Choose the path where you will save the data copied from the scanner. Step 2. SLAM processing. There are 3 ways to get the absolute coordinates: control points, RTK, and PPK. Taking control points as an example, import GCP file. Choose the correct N and E coordinates. Enable at least 3 points. Control points corresponsible 1 to 1. When GCP and RTK are in the same coordinate system, you can select GNSS RTK together. Select denoising and smoothing as needed. Select coordinate system setting as needed. In Manager, you can select a predefined coordinate system based on the country. Once the settings are complete, you can begin the processing.